Hello world and to everyone. Welcome to Filipino TV. Maraming salamat po sa Diyos at sa inyo pong lahat, mga kababayan ko. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Robinsons Place Calasiao, Pangasinan for the Vice President of the Philippines Exhibit Gallery. The display aims to educate the public and give visitors a deeper understanding of the contributions, advocacies, and legacies of the nation's former vice presidents. Showcases 9 decades of history, highlighting the second highest office in the country. At ang ating mga past leaders ay may unique rules and duties and stories, serve the Philippines and for the Filipino. Mga kababayan ko, maraming salamat po. Maging bahagi po kayo sa ating channel, Filipino TV. Shout out to everyone, to our OFW and to our Vice Presidents, VP Sara Duterte. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pong lahat at mabuhay po ang Pilipino. Thank you very much. God bless everyone. Our VP Sara Duterte, Vice President of the Philippines.